7. How many? Wow. Another conversion question. Well, let's try this again. How many pints are in a quart? So remember, the way they phrase this question, right now you have quarts, because it's asking you how many pints are in. They want to get to pints, but they're giving quarts. So again, you write down your quarts in front and you multiply by what you want, pints, over what you have, quarts. So let's look at that nice golden rule right there. And this is really what you have to do. So hopefully this time we actually have values, because it'll be a lot easier to explain with actual numbers. So 1 pint, oh nice, this actually is a perfect example. 1 pint only goes to ounces, okay, and then quart also has ounces there too. So you kind of have to do a multi-step thing. But you see here, right, in terms of volume, the only thing connecting the quart, dang, they have it right there. 1 quart equals 2 pints. That's a shame. But let's assume that it did not tell us that. Let's assume that this right here wasn't there. Let's do an extra step with fluid ounces. So same concept. You start with quarts, and now you see you have to get to fluid ounces, because that's the only thing connecting pints and quarts. So the full thing would actually look like this. Okay, quarts still in the denominator, and you want at first fluid ounces. So according to this, 32, and this would be 1. And now you have fluid ounces, same concept, you want to get rid of it to get to pints. Okay, and that would be 16 according to this sheet, 1. So funny enough, all this together, you really do get the same thing as they say, 2 pints per 1 quart. So that is conceptually how this works with keeping up with your digits. I was hoping that it didn't just give us the answer, but this is the concept here that you'd follow. So just as they say, in US standard volume, there are 2 pints in 1 quart, and exactly, always be referring, very important, to your sheet that they've given you, your conversion sheet. I can't imagine doing chemistry without a conversion sheet, just because especially when you stray away from just like solving equations and go more towards trying to figure out like how many grams or something you have, and when you're given like, I don't know, like exactly like in terms of volume displacement question, like, oh, this amount of volume was displaced, and then you have to figure out how many grams you have. A conversion sheet is always good to have. Okay, so now let's move on to